Goedemorgen, good morning. How are you lovely people doing? I have kind of performed a magical trick, I think, because I have managed to put all the snacks I'm going to take with in my suitcase. Now we just have to close it. My suitcase is going to be way too heavy. So I got some bagels, peanut butter, banana. So just went for toast. Oh, toast. And sausage. So I keep forgetting all the who, where, what, etc. So here we go. Okay.
Oeh. Fendi.
Wanneer?
Fact.
Wat? Wie?
Die.
Waarom?
Waarom?
Daar.
Waar? Ben is even uit.
And we're on another toll road where we paid too many dollars because we didn't read how much it was. I asked him if he could see it. He didn't say he could see it. What do you mean my fault? I wasn't driving. I couldn't see it. Your face was in the way. Your face was. I couldn't read it. Anywho, it's okay. It's okay. Because we're right now going to the Apopka Wildlife Center, I think it's called, which is basically a free drive-in tour where you just drive and hopefully see some wildlife. We have started the tour pretty much, and we're just driving on this little road. I'm actually not sure if you're supposed to get out, but Toes is just gonna get out anyways. Ooh, it is hot.
Even aanbieden.
gone. Oh, just a ton of jumping fish here. I wonder if like a gator's messing with them. I have no idea. If you know, please let me know. Why do these fish jump? Like, I'm kind of confused. I mean, these are fish, right? So I'm assuming up there is the exit. This park was actually really big. It is almost noon right now. I don't remember exactly what time we actually got here. Stop! Terug! Can we go back? Yes, we can. Oh, I saw another gator. Hold on. Yeah, stop. Oh wait, a little forward. Just a tad bit. Okay, stop. There we go. This is what we've been doing the entire time. We've just been driving and then we say stop and we film. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow. So, audio tour number 10. I don't know how big this park is. I'm really glad we left when we did and not later because we gotta be at the airport on time. I missed 2 gators on camera and yeah, that means we saw a ton of gators for show. Whoa, this is audio part 11? Oh wait, I think the exit is there. That has to be the exit, right? I mean, I think so. And then we were on a regular road. That was honestly really worth it. It took us a while, but that was really, really pretty. I'm glad we got to do that before, you know, getting some hours of waiting in at the airport, which Orlando Sanford is pretty much, as far as I know, experience-wise, the most boring airport I know. I don't want to go home. Oh well. This was really flipping great though. Really flipping great. So the last time I flew back, I actually also went to the Budweiser tap room, which is where we're at right now. We're now sitting at the bar. There's a game going on down there, a basketball game. And last time I was here, I got a beer because, you know, thought like doing that. I also want some food. Toast had some pizza that he ate from his leftovers, but oh yeah, we have to wait for a really long time. So it's got the old school Bud Light, and I went for a shock top. Cheers! And this is my lunch. Really flipping healthy. So we're watching the Barcelona Arsenal game right now, and we're watching it on this phone. On the TV up there, they couldn't get it on. And Toast's grilled cheese has arrived too. Eat deliciously. Still watching the Barcelona-Arsenal game, by the way. And then we boarded a plane, which means I'm gonna end these series of greetings from Florida. I hope you've enjoyed all the vlogs so far, or actually, I hope you enjoyed all the vlogs because we'll be heading back to the Netherlands. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below of what your favorite part was, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.
26. Nee?
Nee.